Now, UT website. You must have received an email from Universal Tutorials at the time when you enrolled. This is a login message which gives you your student login details for the UT website and parent login details. With this, you can log in to your student portal. To log into student portal in the browser, you just have to type www.universaltutorials.in. That is our website. In the website, on the right-hand side, we have the login. You have to click on login and then the student portal. Once you click on the student portal main page opens, login page opens. You have to write the username and password. Once you have done this, this is the student portal that opens. This is the dashboard. On the right-hand side, you are able to see the performance graph and the attendance graph once you have given the tests. On the left-hand side, we have 3 lines. That is the menu. From the menu, you are able to see fees. That is whatever fees you have paid, how you have paid, and if you have to make any online payments, you can make it from here. Next, we have the communication tab. Whatever communication UT sends you, that is all the emails and all the SMS, everything is recorded over here. You can anytime check it in the communication lab. Then next, we have the timetable. From 30th of April, all the tests will be open for you. So you'll be able to see the list of the tests in this timetable, which are all active for you. Once you complete the test, you will find them in completed test. If you have missed any test, you will find them in missed. And if you have any pending tests, you will be able to see them in pending tab. So this is all about timetable, attendance details. Once you write the test, you will be able to see the attendance over here. So you have subject-wise attendance as well as you will be able to see month-wise attendance. So this is a sample. Subject-wise, you will be able to see what all tests you have given. And same way, month-wise, it will show you the tests. Then we come to the test performance. Test performance, once you give the test, the performance of a student is marked over here, both in tabular form as well as in the graphical form. So this is how it is there in tabular form. And same way you'll be able to see it in the graphical form. This shows you how your performance is. Next, we have download section where study material and test papers are available. Test papers, once the student gives a test, he or she is marked present. The question paper and the model answer are available here and they are available throughout the year. Corrected copies are not available here, only the question paper and the model answer. Then we have some important links. If you wish to take the surveys and give any feedback, you would find them in the important links. And lastly, we have the contact us section, again UT helpline number and email ID where you can connect to us if you have any issues. Okay, so I have completed with my